The length of the projection of the segment joining the points 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 2 on the plane x plus 3y minus 5z equals to 6 is equals to. By observing this one, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 6 equals to 6. This is the point lies on the plane. If you observe this one, minus 1, 2, 2, not satisfied. So that one doesn't lie on the plane. Here this is the point lies on the plane. 1, 0, minus 1, and one more point is there. Minus 1, 2, 2. This one I am taking A, this one I am taking B. The projection of this one on the plane, if I draw the perpendicular from B to the plane, this one we say projection of the plane, projection of AB on the plane. AC is the projection only of AB. Now this is perpendicular to the plane. So normal ds of the plane, this is in the direction of 1, 3, minus 5. And what are the ds of AB bar? Y2, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. These are the ds of here minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 3. These are the ds of AB and normal ds of the plane 1, 3, minus 5. If I take the angle between these two, theta, then cos theta is equal to dot product of these two, 2 into 1, minus 2 into 3, minus 3 into minus 5, whole by modulus of this one, 4 plus 4 plus 9 into modulus of this one, 1 plus 9 plus 25. That is cos theta. After simplifying this one, here we can get 11 by root of 17 into 35. 17 into 35. Now, if I take sin theta that is equal to opposite side AC by, here we want this one only, AC. AC is the projection of AB bar on the plane. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AB. AB means that is here modulus of AC bar, this is modulus of AB bar only. So here AC is equal to modulus of AB bar into sin theta. Here AB bar we know that one passes through 2 points, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, modulus of AB bar, that is equal to root of 4 plus 4 plus 9. Root 17 into sin theta, that is root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta, that is 121 by 17 into 35. This one you can simplify and check the option. Next one, the reflection of the point A bar on the plane R bar dot N bar is equal to Q. Here one point is there whose position vector A bar. The reflection of that point with respect to that plane. Here I am taking B bar. So here I want a B bar in terms of A bar and N bar Q. Like that. Here what are the normal ds of this plane? N bar only. Here midpoint I am taking C. This is the foot of the perpendicular from A to plane. That one I am taking C, whose position vector C bar. Now by solving these two, plane and line, here line equation, what is that line equation? R bar is equal to passes through the point A bar plus lambda into what are the ds. These two are perpendicular to the plane, so the parallel ds of line is N bar. This is the line equation. And what about the plane equation? R bar dot n bar, that is equals to q. If I solve these two, in the place of R bar I can write a bar plus lambda n bar dot n bar, that is equals to q bar. So a bar dot n bar plus lambda into n bar dot n bar, we can write modulus of n bar square, that is equals to q bar. So lambda is equals to q bar minus a bar dot n bar by modulus of n bar square. Lambda value we got. Now the lambda value I got. So here, what is R bar here? R bar, that is the variable point only. On that line you can take any point, it is satisfies only. For example, here C also one of the points on that line. In the place of R bar, if I take OC bar, that is equal to C bar I have taken. So C bar is equal to A bar plus, in the place of lambda I am writing Q bar minus A bar dot n bar by modulus of n bar square into n bar is there. In the straight line also, ax plus by plus c is there. Straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here x comma y, that is the variable point on that line. You can take any point on that line, it is satisfies soon. Like this here also, in the R bar equals A bar plus lambda n bar, R bar be any point, R bar, that is the point, variable point, any point, that is the variable point only, any point on that line. So OC bar equals to C bar, that is also one of the points, so it should satisfy that line. Here I got this one, C bar equals to A bar plus this one I got. Now here C bar we can write A bar plus B bar by 2. Here I want B bar only. So B bar is equal to 2 into C bar minus A bar. 2 into C bar, this one total multiplied by 2. 2A bar plus 2 into Q bar minus A bar dot n bar whole by modulus of n bar square. 2 into C bar minus A bar. 2A bar minus A bar, that is A bar plus 2 into Q bar minus A bar dot n bar whole n bar here by modulus of n bar square. So here we say second option is the correct one. The image of the point minus 1, 3, 4 on the plane, the image of this one minus 1, 3, 4 with respect to that plane. This one I am taking, this is A, this is B, A, B, C I am taking. This is the foot of the perpendicular, I am taking C. Now here x minus 2y is equal to 5 is equal to 0. Plane equation is given. What are the normal ds of the plane? N bar is equal to 1 minus 2 0. So what about the equation of the line? These two are perpendicular to the plane only. So these two are parallel. So their ds are in the same ratio. So equation of the line passes to this point and having the ds 1 minus 2 0 is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, any point on that line. So lambda minus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 3 0 plus 4, that point I am considering C only. Where is that point? Any point on that line. For different values of lambda you will get a different points on that line. So this point I am considering C only. Where is that point C? C lies on x minus 2y, that is equal to 0. X minus 2 into y, that is equal to 0. Lambda minus 1 plus 4 lambda minus 6 equals 0. 5 lambda, here 5 lambda is equal to 7. Lambda is equal to 7 by 5. If I substitute in that, 7 by 5 minus 1, that is 2 by 5, minus 14 by 5 plus 3, that is 1 by 5. 4. C point I got, C coordinates. What about C? That is the midpoint of AB only. So here OC bar, that is equal to midpoint of OC bar, this one I can write OC bar, that is the midpoint of these two. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, minus 1 is there by 2, b plus 3 by 2, c plus 4 by 2. By equating the first coordinates, we can get a value. A is equal to 4 by 5 plus 1, that is equal to 9 by 5. And by checking options also, only 1 by 5, 9 by 5, only third option is there. So that is the correct option. Otherwise, by equating, if you want all, by equating these two coordinates, we can get a b value. By equating these two, we can get a c value. That is the image of the given point. The ratio in which the plane divides the line segment joining these two points. For example, this is one of the plane. This is the line segment joining these 2 points. Minus 2, 4, 7, and here 3, minus 5, 8. Here PB as a point divides the line segment joining these 2 points. In the ratio, I am taking lambda is to 1. So then what about the coordinates of P here? mx2, 3 lambda plus n x1 by m plus n, and my2 plus ny1 by lambda plus 1, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, lambda plus 1. Here we are using the section formula only. And where is that point? P lies on the plane only. What is the equation of the plane? X minus 2y plus 3z, that is equal to 17. X 3 lambda minus 2 by lambda plus 1 minus 2 into y plus 3 into z is equal to 17. So 3 lambda minus 2 minus 10 lambda, this is plus 10 lambda minus 8 plus 24 lambda plus 21, that is equal to 17 lambda plus 17. Take LCM and transpose that side and simplify this one, you will get a lambda value. Lambda is equal to, we can get a 3 by 10. Lambda is by 1 only. Lambda is to 1, that is equal to 3 is to 10. That one is simplification, you can simplify that one. Next one, let L be the line of intersection of the planes. Here 2 planes are given. L be the intersection of these 2 planes, that is the line of intersection of these 2 planes. L be the line of intersection of given 2 planes. So, here what they are asking, L makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. What are the DRs of x-axis? 1, 0, 0. Now what are the DRs of this line of intersection of these 2 planes? This is perpendicular to both the normal DRs of first plane I am taking n1 bar, the normal DRs of second plane I am taking n2 bar. So this is the line of intersection that is perpendicular to both the n1 bar and n2 bar. So the DRs of that line of intersection are the DRs of n1 bar cross n2 bar only. The vector perpendicular to both n1 bar and the n2 bar, that is nothing but their cross product. So first we can find n1 bar cross n2 bar, we can get the DRs of this line. Why? Because that line of intersection, that is perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar. So the line of intersection in the direction of n1 bar cross n2 bar only. That is equal to I, J, K. 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2. This is n1 bar, n2 bar. I cap 6 minus 3 minus j cap 4 minus 1 plus k cap 6 minus 3. So 3 minus 3, 3, 1 minus 1, 1 we got. Ds, the simplest form you can take. Now cos alpha is equal to, alpha is the angle between that line of intersection and x-axis. What are the ds of x-axis here? 1, 0, 0, 1. And here we want angle between these two. Dot product of that one, by modulus of this one plus 1 plus 1 root 1. That is equal to 1 by root 3. Next one. If angle theta between the line and the plane. Here what are the parallel ds of the line? B bar, that is 1, 2, 2. That is in the standard form, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. And n bar is equal to normal ds of the plane, 2 minus 1 root lambda. And angle between the line and the plane, we can take a sin theta only. Angle between line and the plane, sin theta is equal to, in the theory class already explained that one, we derived that one. B bar dot n bar by modulus of B bar into modulus of n bar. Sin theta already given 1 by 3. What is the dot product of these two? 2 minus 2 plus 2 root lambda by root of this one 1 plus 4 plus 4 and root of that one modulus of this one root of 4 plus 1 plus lambda. Here these two gets cancelled. This is 3 only. 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. Square root of 9, 3. 3 gets cancelled. That one you can transfer this side. 5 plus lambda, that is equal to 2 root lambda. By squaring on both sides, 4 lambda. So 3 lambda is equal to 5. Lambda is equal to 5 by 3. That is the second option. Next one. The plane which passes through the point, this is one of the plane, passes through the point 3, 2, 0 and contains the line also. This is the line passing through the point 3, 6, 4 and parallel to 1, 5, 4. Parallel to the vector 1, 5, 4. Now we want equation of the plane. Here we can verify the options also. Which is the option? Which is the equation of the plane passes through these 2 points? That is the correct option. And more than 2 options are there, passes through the same 2 points. Then you can see the dot product of the see here dot product of, this is the line plane ds and line ds. This is the vector lies on the plane, this is the normal vector to the plane. Dot product of these two should be equal to 0. Otherwise, if we want, we can do the regular process also. This one I am taking A, this one I am taking B. AB bar, that is one of the vector, and this is also another vector is there. B1 bar I am taking. So n bar, that is perpendicular to both the vectors. The vector perpendicular to both the plane containing AB bar and B bar, we can write AB bar cross B bar. So first I am finding this one, AB bar cross B bar. I, J, K. AB bar, OB minus OA, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 1, 5, 4. That is equals to I cap. 16 minus 20 minus j cap minus 4 plus k cap minus 4. That is equals to minus 4 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 4 k cap. So here what are the ds of this one? Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 1. Those are the normal ds to the plane only. And passing through the, you can take any point. Passes through the point x1, y1, z1 and normal ds ABC. Then what about the equation of the plane? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, that is equal to 0. X minus y plus z minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So x plus 2y so here we are getting x minus y plus z minus 1 equals to 0. That is the first option. Now distance between the planes. Here two plane equations are given. Distance between. And here you can see 1 minus 2 1. ds of the normal ds of this plane 1 minus 2 1. And here also minus 3 6 minus 3 minus 1 2 otherwise 1 minus 2 1. Both the ds are same. So both are parallel planes. Both are parallel. This one I am multiplying with the 3. 3x minus 6y plus 3z minus 3 equals 0. That one multiplying with the minus 3x minus 6y plus 3z minus 2 equals 0. These two are parallel. X and here ds are same only. The ds are in the same ratio, then the planes are said to be parallel. The distance between parallel lines, modulus of c1 minus d1 minus d2, distance here I am finding distance, perpendicular distance only. Modulus of d1 minus d2 minus 3 plus 2 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is 1 by root 54. That one we can write 9 6 3 root 6. So fourth option we can get. Next one, the distance of the point 1 3 minus 7 from the plane. Here we want distance from the point 1 3 minus 7 from the plane. Here plane equation is not given directly, but that plane passing through the point 1 minus 1 minus 1 and this normal, this is the normal, is perpendicular to both the lines. This is the normal perpendicular to both the lines means here what are the parallel ds of the line 1 minus 2 3 and the parallel ds of the second line b2 bar, that is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1. So here what they given, normal is perpendicular to both the lines. So n bar is perpendicular to both the b1 bar and b2 bar. So n bar is equal to the vector perpendicular to both b1 bar and b2 bar is nothing but their cross product only. How to find the cross product here? I, j, k. 1 minus 2 3, 2 minus 1 minus 1. So I into 2 plus 3 minus j into minus 1 minus 6 plus k into minus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5 7 3. The normal ds of the plane 5 7 3 and passes through this point, then equation of the plane, equation of a plane, a into, these are the ABC only, a into x minus x1, this is the point, x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z plus 1, that is equal to 0. Here 5x plus 7y plus 3z minus 5 plus 7 plus 3, that is plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we want the perpendicular distance from that point to this line. Modulus of perpendicular distance, modulus of ABC, this is x1 y1 z1, ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root of 5 square plus 7 square plus 3 square. Same as in the two-dimensional geometry, in the straight lines, perpendicular distance from x1 y1 to the line modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. We are adding additionally one more term plus cz1 plus d by root a square plus b square plus c square. That one you can simplify, we can get the answer. Next, the image of the point P1 minus 2, 3 in the plane, this one, 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 22 equals 0, measured parallel to the line. Here we want the image of this one, P1 minus 2, 3 with respect to that line, plane. The image of this one in the plane, in the direction of one more line is given. What is that one? This is the line. In this line direction, we want image of that point with respect to that plane. That image I am taking Q, A, B, C, and it intersects the plane at R I am taking. So here these two are parallel. Their dias are in the same ratio only. What are the dias of this one? 1, 4, 5. Dias. These two lines are parallel, so their dias are same. Now equation of the line passes through the given point and parallel dias are given. X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, that is equal to z minus z1 by c. Any point on that line, this one lambda plus 1, 4 lambda minus 2, 5 lambda plus 3, equating everyone. Every term equating to lambda, lambda plus 1, 4 lambda minus 2, 5 lambda plus 3. Any point on that line, for different values of lambda, we can get a different points on that line. Here this point I am considering R only. Where is that R? That R lies on the plane. Lies on plane. So 2 into lambda plus 1 plus 3 into 4 lambda minus 2 minus 4 into 5 lambda plus 3 plus 22, that is equals 0. 12, 14 minus 6 lambda 18. Here 2 minus 6 minus 12 plus 6, that is equals 0. Here minus 18 minus 16. Here 2 minus 6 minus 12 plus 22 is there. 22 plus 2, 24. 18 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18. Minus 18 plus 24, that is a plus 6 only. So lambda is equal to, we are getting 1. Then what about the coordinates of R? 1 plus 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 plus 3, 8. 2, 2, 8, that is the point on the plane. So here I want a image only. Otherwise, here what they are asking, PQ they are asking 2 times of PQ also, PR also we can write. And if you want the coordinates of Q, here Q is equal to midpoint of, R, that is equal to midpoint of PQ. R coordinates we got 2, 2, 8, and the midpoint of this one PQ, A plus 1 by 2, B minus 2 by 2, C plus 3 by 2. By equating these two, we can get A value. 4 minus A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 30. Then find the distance between, directly we can find the distance between the 2 points. Otherwise, the distance between PQ is equal to 2 times the distance between PR. R is the midpoint only. 2 into, what is the distance between PR? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 2 minus of minus 2 plus 4, 16, 8 minus 3, 5, 25. So 2 root of 25, 17, 42. 2 root 42. The distance of the point 1 minus 2, 4 from the plane passing through. Here we want the distance from this point 1 minus 2 to the plane. Here plane equation is not given directly, but the plane passing through the point 1, 2, 2, and here the plane is perpendicular to both the planes. So here n bar is perpendicular to the normal ds of other two planes only. So n bar is equal to, we can write n1 bar cross n2 bar only. So n bar is equal to I, j, k. 1 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 1. I cap into minus 1 plus 4 minus j cap, 1 minus 4 plus k cap, minus 2 plus 2. That is equal to 3 I cap plus 3 j cap. So what are the normal ds of the plane here? 1, 1, 0. Then what about the equation of the plane? This is A, B, C passing through the point x1, y1, z1. A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus 0 and anything 0 only. X plus y minus 3 equals to 0. That is the equation of the plane. Now distance from that point to this plane. Distance is equal to, from point to plane, modulus of A x1. This is x1, y1, z1. A, B, C ds. A into modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c 0 only. Next d, that is 3 is there, minus 3 is there, by root of a square plus b square plus c square. C is 0. 1 minus 2, that is 1 by root 2. So here 1 minus 2 minus 3 is there. 5, 4. 4 by root 2, that is equal to 2 root 2. Here the planes intersect in the line PQ. So what is the meaning of that one? This is the line of intersection of given two planes. That is the line of intersection of given two planes. This one there, say the planes, these two planes intersects in the line PQ. The equation of the plane through the point, here we want equation of the plane through the point 2, 1, 4 and perpendicular to PQ. This is a PQ. PQ ds we want. And PQ, this line of intersection that is perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar. So PQ bar, that is nothing but n1 bar cross n2 bar. The vector perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar, that is nothing but their cross product. Determinant of I, j, k. 3 minus 1, 1. 5, 1, 3. That is equals to I cap. Minus 3 minus 1 minus j cap, 9 minus 5 plus k cap, 3 plus 5. So minus 4, 3 plus 5, 8. So 1, 1 minus 2. These are the normal ds of this plane only. 1, 1 minus 2. Now equation of the plane passes through the point and normal ds are given. This one we can consider ABC, x1, y1, z1, a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, that is equal to 0. X plus y minus 2z minus 2 plus 8. Here minus 2 minus 1. 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 2z, x plus y minus 2z, that is equal to minus 5. Last option. Next one, the value of m for which the straight line See here, by equating these two planes, we can get the line of intersection. By equating these two planes, we can get the line of intersection. That one. So, the value of m for which this is the line of intersection, that is parallel to the plane. That is parallel to the plane 2x minus y plus mz minus 2, that is equals to 0. So that line of intersection, that should be parallel to the plane. Here plane equation, that line of intersection should be parallel to the plane. So normal ds of this plane 2 minus 1 m, 2 minus 1 m. These are the normal ds of the plane. Here line of intersection is parallel to the plane. Line of intersection is parallel to the plane. So the ds of this one, the ds of that line, here angle between these two is perpendicular only. So here b bar dot n bar, that is equals to 0. B bar dot n bar equals to 0. Here how to get the ds of b bar? Ds of b bar nothing but that is the line of intersection of the given two planes only. So here line of intersection, that is perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar. So here b bar is nothing but that is the cross product of n1 bar and n2 bar only. I, j, k. 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3 4. I square minus 8 plus 3, 12 minus 4, minus 9 plus 8. This is minus 5, minus 8, 9 that is minus 1. So 5, 8, 1. These are the ds. Now b bar dot n bar, that is equals to 0. Why? Because both are perpendicular. Here line is parallel to the plane. So here normal ds we are considering to the plane. These two are perpendicular. The dot product equals to 0. 2 into 5 minus 1 into 8 plus m into 1, that is equals to 0. 10 minus 8 plus m, that is equals to 0. That implies m is equals to minus 2. First option. Next one, the distance of the point minus 5, minus 5, minus 10 from the point of intersection of the line r bar equals to 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap plus lambda into 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap on the plane. Here first we have to find the point of intersection of the line and the plane. Here what is the equation of the plane? X minus y plus z, that is equal to 5. Cartesian form. So this is the line passing through the point x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Any point we can take. That one, this is the point of intersection of the line and the plane. So any point I am taking. That one I am considering P only. 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 2. Any point. That point lies on that plane only. 3 lambda plus 2 minus 4 lambda plus 1 plus 2 lambda plus 2, that is equal to 5. 3 minus plus lambda, 2, 3, 5. Lambda equals to 0 we are getting. Lambda equals to 0 means what about the P point here? 2 minus 1, 2. This is the point at 2 minus 1, 2. And here what they are asking, the distance from this point minus 5, minus 5, minus 10 to this one. This one I am taking a q, otherwise PQ is equals to distance between these 2 points, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, minus 1 plus 5 4 whole square, 2 plus 12 144. So 144, 49, 16. Square root of 209. Here a small mistake here. This is minus 1. That is a minus 1. This is minus 1. Now we can get that one. X2 minus x1. This is 9. So 25, 169. That is a 13. Then the 13 is the first option. Yes, in a three-dimensional coordinate system, P, Q, R are the images of point A, B, C in the xy plane, yz plane, zx plane respectively. If G is the centroid of triangle PQR, then area of triangle AOG is. Here I am writing in the xy plane. In xy plane, the image of here in a three-dimensional geometry, the coordinate system P, Q, R are the images of. In xy plane, the image of P here. This is A. In xy plane, the image of A. The image of A. That implies that is a P already given. P is the image of that point A with respect to xy plane. In xy plane, once you observe this one, two-dimensional coordinate geometry, for example 1, 2, that is in the that one belongs to first quadrant. The image of that one with respect to x-axis belongs to fourth quadrant. With respect to x-axis, x coordinate remains same only. Here the sign of the y coordinate changes. Plus 2 becomes a minus 2. So in the xy plane, the image of ABC in xy plane, here x and y coordinate remains the same. Z coordinate sign changes. In yz plane, the image of A, that implies in the yz plane, y and z coordinates are remains the same only. X coordinate sign changes. In zx plane, the image of A, that implies that one we are taking R. In zx plane, z and x coordinates are remain same. Y coordinate sign changes only. So here what they are asking, G is the centroid of triangle PQR. Whatever the centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. So in xy plane, x and y coordinates are same, z coordinate sign changes. Now here what they are asking, area of triangle AOG. Area of triangle, O is the origin. A is ABC. G, that is A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. That is equals area of into determinant of 0, 0, 0. A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. A, B, C. If all the elements in F, all the elements, otherwise here we can write, of into modulus of OA bar cross OG bar. That is equals to of into modulus of OA bar cross OG bar. First you can find OA bar cross OG bar. OA bar cross OG bar. That is equals to determinant of IJK OA bar. That is A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. OG bar, this is OG bar. OA bar, that is A, B, C. Now here you can see second row and the third row both are proportional. If any two rows or columns are proportional, it's a determinant equals to 0. So if it is 0, its modulus also 0. 0 and anything 0 only. Area of the triangle OAG. Area of triangle OAG, we are getting 0. Thank you.